Hi, I'm Angelika Blendstrup of Angelika Blendstrup and Associates. I'm here today to give you some tips how to say sounds my international clients have troubles pronouncing. The TH sounds cause a lot of problems for most people, and you really have to say the TH properly. There are two TH sounds. One is voiced, one is voiceless. Let me go through the voiced TH. As in this, then, those, another, breathe, therefore, whether, or a sentence you can use. They have those devices over there. Second, the voiceless TH. Now you have to have some air coming out when you say the TH. You can literally feel it on your hand. Thank, theme, thought, think, growth, and a very tough one, with. Third sentence to practice. Thank you for going through the theater. If you want to have more sounds and learn more about them, please go to my udemy.com/accent reduction course, or I have other ideas on my YouTube channel for Angelika Blendstrup.